everybody, and welcome to Weekly 4.6. And this week we are going to talk about what?
This week features volume and surface area of rectangular prism.
And this is what we did in class last week, so some of this should seem familiar. We're just trying to reteach a little bit in case you forgot.
Find the volume of the rectangular prism. So to find volume, you have to do length times width times height. So first we will do 5 times 10, and that equals 50. And since the height is 2, we will do 50 times 2, and that's 100. So volume equals 100 centimeters cubed.
Beautiful. And again, don't forget that you need to cube your label. Cube centimeters is what we're looking for there. And example 2.
Find the volume of a rectangular prism with height 4 inches, length 7 inches, and width 2 inches. So again, you have to do volume equals length times width times height. So first we will do 7 times 2, which is 14. And then we do 14 times 4. That's 16. Foot times 1 is 14. So volume equals 56 inches cubed.
Cube. So every time you're looking at the word volume, you're looking at cubed, because you're multiplying 3 separate things together. So you're looking at 3-dimensional shape. And volume seems pretty easy. Just multiply together. Let's take a look at surface area. This one is a little bit more complex. And we showed you a way in class to look at surface area, but there's also a formula that makes it easier if you can remember it. And the formula goes like this. Surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times height times width. So you're using each one of your length, height, and width twice. And the second time I write it out without the length, the width, and the height. And then I start substituting. My first one is my length. And if I look at this shape, the length is the 6 feet. So I'm going to take all of my L's and substitute them with the number 6. Then I don't have any L's left. I only have 2 of them. I'm going to look at my height. My height is 8 feet. So every time I see an H, I'm going to substitute it with an 8. And then lastly, I'm going to look at my width. And I'm going to substitute every single W I see with a 3. Make sense so far?
Yeah.
If you can remember the formula and then just plug in all of your values, you should be pretty easy. Now I think we're going to take this whole thing and put it into the calculator and see what comes up. So take your calculator, put in 2 times 6 times 3 plus 2 times 6 times 8 plus 2 times 8 times 3.
Which is 180.
180. And what should our label be?
Feet.
Every time we see the word area, it needs to have a square. So we have square feet for our area.
Okay.
You want to try one?
Yeah.
All right. Here is example 4.
Find the surface area of a rectangular prism measuring 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 9 centimeters. So, surface area equals 2 times length times height plus 2 times length times width plus 2 times height times width.
Perfect. It's beautiful.
And since the length is 3 centimeters, every L I'm going to write a 3.
Okay.
So first I will bring down the 2's. So 3, 4. And for every height, it will be a 2. So times 2 times 2. And the width is 9.
And then just be careful to have your equal sign and your pluses, that you carry them down. So you should always have 3 numbers, then a plus, 3 numbers, then a plus, and then 3 numbers again. And our good old friend, the calculator.
Eight, 4.
102.
2 times 3 times 2. 9. 102.
Yeah.
Surface area equals 102 centimeters squared.
Perfect. Nice job. And that's how we do volume and surface area for rectangular prisms.
That was easy.
It was easy. We will see you guys next week, and I don't know yet what we're going to talk about. Probably circles. We'll talk about some circles. So see you guys then. Have a good week, and only a few more weeks left of school. So 3 more weeks, I think. Then we're all done. Take care, everybody. Bye.
Bye.